Hey everyone, this is Hunter Donnelly here with Century 21 Fairways Real Estate. Today I'm standing outside of my new listing in the Tall Oaks neighborhood of Allison Park, Pennsylvania. The address here is 4577 Nature Trail Drive. This house is absolutely magnificent. It's very large, so why don't you guys follow me on inside for a quick home tour. Alright guys, once again this is Hunter Donnelly with Century 21 Fairways Real Estate. I'm out here at my newest listing, so if you want to check it out, give me a call, shoot me a text or email, and you can set up an appointment to come see the home today. Thanks for watching.